5 money lessons that I wish I knew earlier in my career. How I brought my business from $0 to $70 million in 7 years. This is exactly how. So here's what I want you to do. Stop right now, grab a notebook, because what I'm about to show you, 90% of entrepreneurs will never be able to do or ever be able to be truly wealthy, even the ones making great money. And you might be one of them. Number one, stop buying crap. Don't buy things that don't build your future. Listen, those expensive dinners out every week, they feel good in the moment, but they are gone. They don't actually compound. They don't build. I see so many entrepreneurs and professionals working their tails off, and they reward themselves by spending every dollar they make. And look, I get it. Work hard, you deserve nice things, but here's what I want you to ask yourself. Is this purchase moving me closer to my goals, or is it just making me feel successful for a day? Let me give you an example. The British row team had not won Olympian gold for like 88 years. And what they did in preparation for the Olympics was they actually asked themselves this one simple success filtering question. Will it make the boat go faster? So every single thing that they would do, they would ask, is this gonna make the boat go faster or not? For example, I wanna eat a big fat cheeseburger. I wanna go out to a party. That would not make the boat go faster, so they would not do it. They based their decisions on what they would or would not do based upon would it help them get closer to their goals and be more successful winning Olympian gold, or would it not? And that one tactic helped them win Olympian gold. So ask yourself the same question. Is what I'm doing right now going to make the boat go faster, make my business grow? Is it going to make me, increase my skill set? Is it going to help my learning power? Listen, the one thing that can never be taken away from you that compounds with time, it's kind of like it just keeps getting that interest building up, is your learning power and your knowledge, right? As long as you implement that. So I am always willing to invest in my own learning power. I'll give you an example. See this right here? This is how much money I have spent in the past 7.5, close to 8 years in my own knowledge and earning power, learning from the best of the best, because I want to be able to collapse timeframes. I want to do the things that help them get closer to their goals in the area that I'm trying to excel at. I'm going to not do the things that they say not to do. So I hire people that are the best of the best at a skill that I want to learn and get good at, and I implement what it is that they're teaching me. Number one skill set, invest in your own earning power. And in fact, Warren Buffett says that. The number one thing you can do is invest in your own earning power, because it cannot be taken away from you. Real wealth isn't about looking rich. It's about being financially free. And that means making tough choices today so that you can live on your terms tomorrow. So I always say it can be hard now or hard forever. It's going to be hard either way, right? The choice is, do you want to make it hard short term or hard forever? And that's the question you have to ask yourself. Be willing to put in the work, the effort, the time, the sacrifice now for a short time so you don't have to do it forever. Ask yourself that question all the time. I can guarantee it's going to help you move closer to your goals. Lesson number 2, your best investment is always you. When I started investing in coaching, courses, and mentorship, everything changed. And I mean everything. You can save for retirement, sure, but you know what creates wealth faster? Investing in skills that increase your earning potential right now. Whether you're building a personal brand, whether you're scaling a business, or whether you're climbing the corporate ladder, you need to be obsessed with learning from people who've already done what you want to do. So get a coach, join a mastermind, and take that course and do what they say. Most people stop learning after college. Don't be that person. Put aside money every single month for education and growth. This is a non-negotiable for me, and it should be for you, and that is what builds true wealth. Number 3, hard road today equals easy life tomorrow. Kind of what I talked about in the first one, right? It's easy to Netflix every night. I get it. But you know what? What's really hard? Looking back at 50, 60, or 70 years old and realizing that you played small, realizing that you had potential you never actually tapped into. And I'm asking you to live intentionally right now. Say no to instant gratification, lean into discomfort, put in the extra hours to master your craft. That is how you build something that lasts. The sacrifices that you make today compounds into freedom tomorrow. So don't miss on the person that you're capable of becoming because you wanted comfortable today. Hard today, easy forever. Number 4, stop doing what you suck at. Do what you love. This one's huge for entrepreneurs and professionals. We're taught to work on our weaknesses, but that's actually terrible advice for building wealth. Figure out what you're exceptional at, what activities actually generate revenue and that you actually like to do, and go all in on those. Then outsource, delegate, or eliminate everything else. Then I want you to outsource, delegate, or eliminate everything else. If you can earn $100 an hour doing what you're great at, why are you spending 3 hours doing bookkeeping or graphic design that you hate doing? Pay someone $25 or $30 an hour to handle that, and you focus on the high value activities. This is how you scale. This is how you multiply your impact and your income. I'll give you an example. I love teaching, coaching, helping people, being in front of the camera. So I spend most of my time doing that. And if I'm answering emails or doing things that don't involve coaching, consulting, teaching, or training, then I know I need to delegate that to somebody else. Number 5, your friends equal your income. The people that you associate with is a direct reflection of how much money that you will make. Your circle determines your success. So show me your 5 closest friends and I'm going to show you your future. Seriously, if you're surrounded by people who think success is a nice car or a bigger house payment, you're going to stay stuck in that mindset. But if you surround yourself with people who are building assets, investing in growth, and thinking long-term, you're going to rise to that level. So find your tribe, people who challenge you, who are a few steps ahead of you. You don't want to be the richest person in the group or the smartest person in the group. And make sure these people celebrate your wins, but also push you to go even bigger. This might mean joining new communities, attending different events, and yes, even sometimes deleting people or creating boundaries with people that don't support your vision. Your environment is everything. The bottom line is this. Listen, building real wealth as an entrepreneur or professional isn't about luck. It's about making intentional decisions every single day that your future self will thank you for. So stop spending on things that fade. Invest in yourself relentlessly. Choose the harder path today and focus on your genius zone and surround yourself with people who are playing at a higher level. Listen, you've got this. You can do this. Every single thing. It sounds so basic and it sounds so, well, everyone says that, but it's true. Are you actually listening to your own advice? Everything you do, ask yourself, will this make the boat go faster? That means investing in yourself. Yes, it will. That means who you surround yourself with. Yes, it will. That means the relentless action you do or don't take every single day. Will it make the boat go faster or not? I hope this is helpful for you. If it was, do me a favor, like and subscribe and let me know what else you'd like me to create. I'm Krista Mashore, and I will see you next time. Thanks so much for watching my video. You can learn more about how to be a successful real estate professional by watching other videos that I have. And be sure to subscribe to my channel. And as always, make it a great home selling and buying day.